Trying to eat healthy or low carb?
Try my shrimp and seasoned zucchini noodle recipe for a fresh twist on a classic.
From my new series of healthy meals and snacks, I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
You'll need 2 pounds of peeled and deveined raw shrimp. Start by smashing and mincing 3 fresh garlic cloves. Grab 1 large lemon and cut in half. In a large pan on medium-high heat, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once hot, add your shrimp and spread in an even layer. Then season with salt and pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika or light chili powder, whatever you have. Add a little bit of garlic powder. Then cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they're pink and cooked through. Just be careful not to overcook them, they cook pretty quick. Once done, place on a plate temporarily. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more mouth-watering recipes and step-by-step tutorials. Be sure to also hit that bell so you never miss any of my new videos. Now, using a paper towel, wipe your pan clean. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. My grocery store carries already cut zucchini noodles, but if yours doesn't, you can cut them using a spiralizer. I'll post the link below in my description section. They're fairly reasonable, or you can even cut them into just thin strips. They do slightly shrink, so I'll probably end up using 2 of these containers since I have 2 pounds of shrimp. But if you're just doing 1 pound, you can easily go with just 1 container. Let's start seasoning with salt and pepper. Next, add your minced garlic, and I always like to use fresh because the flavor is just so much better. Add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 to 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce for a slight kick and flavor. Now, if you don't like spicy, I would go with just 1. Squeeze 1 fresh whole lemon. Now tell me, how many of you have been trying to eat a little healthier? Add your shrimp to combine all flavors. I like a little more noodles to my dish, so I'm going to go ahead and add another container. These noodles also cook fairly quick, so you want to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are tender but still have a bit of a crunch. This looks like the right amount for my family. If you don't like zucchini noodles, I ask that you give these a try. I used to not like them, but with the right seasoning, they taste fabulous. This is optional, but I also like to add a little bit of parsley for garnish on top. This is so easy and quick to make, guys, under 20 minutes. Let's plate and give it a try. But first, take a look at this yumminess. So good.
Now we gotta go in for the taste test. Ready? Here you go. Me first. So good. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.